Greetings, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our transformative corner of the internet. Today, we're delving into the mysterious world of manifestation, specifically focusing on the secret to attracting money effortlessly, akin to a magnetic waterfall. And who better to guide us on this fascinating journey than Jose Silva, a pioneer in the field of mind empowerment. Let's dive deep into the wisdom of Jose Silva. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called The Manifester. That's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Jose Silva, a name synonymous with mind control and manifestation, introduced a groundbreaking method that has captivated the hearts and minds of countless seekers. His method goes beyond traditional manifestation techniques, offering a unique approach to tap into the reservoir of abundance that surrounds us. At the core of Silva's teachings is the concept of the alpha state of mind. This state, often associated with deep relaxation and meditation, is a fertile ground for manifestation. Silva believed that by entering the alpha state, we could directly communicate with the subconscious mind, planting seeds of prosperity that would blossom into tangible wealth. In the alpha level, you can access the unlimited reservoir of information and energy. It's the key to unlocking your true potential. According to Silva, the alpha state is like a portal to a realm where infinite possibilities exist. It's a state of receptivity, allowing us to download information from the universal intelligence and shape our reality according to our desires. Silva often compared the mind to a powerful magnet, capable of attracting whatever it focuses on. When it comes to manifesting money, the key is to align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the vibration of abundance. In doing so, you turn your mind into a magnetic waterfall, effortlessly drawing wealth into your life. Your mind is like a magnet. Whatever you hold in your mind on a consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. Think of your mind as a magnetic field that resonates with the frequency of wealth. By consciously cultivating positive thoughts and emotions around money, you enhance your magnetic power, pulling financial abundance towards you. Now that we've touched on the core principles of the Silva Method, let's explore how you can practically apply these concepts to manifest money in your life. Begin by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. As you relax, imagine a staircase leading down, each step bringing you deeper into a state of tranquility. Descending deeper into relaxation, with each step, feel your mind entering the serene realm of the alpha state. In the alpha state, your mind is in a heightened state of receptivity. It's the perfect moment to connect with the universal intelligence and set the stage for the manifestation of wealth. Visualization is a potent tool in Silva's method. Once in the alpha state, vividly picture your life filled with the wealth and abundance you desire. See yourself enjoying financial success, feeling the emotions associated with it, and visualize the positive impact this wealth has on your life and the lives of others. Visualization is the key to activating the magnetic power of your mind. Imagine your desires as if they're already a reality. Silva believed that by consistently visualizing your goals in a detailed and emotionally charged manner, you send powerful signals to your subconscious mind, aligning it with the frequency of abundance. Another cornerstone of the Silva Method is the use of affirmations and mental programming. Craft positive affirmations related to wealth and repeat them during your alpha state sessions. These affirmations act as commands to your subconscious, reinforcing the belief that you are a magnet for money. Affirmations are like instructions to your subconscious mind. Program it with positive beliefs about money and watch the transformation unfold. Consistency is key here. The more you affirm your financial abundance, the more your subconscious mind accepts it as a reality, prompting the importance of gratitude as a catalyst for abundance. Gratitude is like the water that fuels the magnetic waterfall of manifestation. Incorporate a daily gratitude practice into your routine. Take a moment each day to express genuine gratitude for the wealth you already have, whether it's material possessions, relationships, or the opportunities that come your way. Gratitude is the bridge between the physical and the metaphysical. It opens the floodgates for abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, creating a positive mindset that aligns with the principles of manifestation. The more you appreciate what you have, the more the universe responds with additional blessings. Consider keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down the things you're thankful for each day. This simple act not only reinforces your appreciation, but also serves as a tangible record of the abundance present in your life. The Silva Method might seem like a mystical journey, but there's a scientific basis behind its principles. Let's briefly explore the neuroscience that supports the effectiveness of these practices. When we enter the alpha state, our brain produces a distinct pattern of electrical activity known as the alpha brainwave. This state is associated with relaxation, creativity, and increased receptivity to suggestions. Studies suggest that the alpha state enhances the brain's ability to absorb and retain information, making it an optimal state for manifestation practices. The Silva Method leverages the power of the alpha brainwave to create a direct line of communication with the subconscious mind, making it more receptive to the thoughts and intentions we consciously plant. Additionally, the Silva Method aligns with the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Consistent practice of visualization, affirmations, and gratitude rewires the neural pathways, reinforcing positive beliefs about money and abundance. Beyond manifesting money, the Silva Method promises a holistic transformation. Many practitioners have reported profound shifts in various aspects of their lives. Silva believed that by harmonizing the mind and tapping into the universal intelligence, practitioners could experience enhanced physical and mental well-being. Reports of improved health, reduced stress, and increased vitality are common among those who embrace the Silva Method. After practicing the Silva Method, we not only manifested financial abundance, but also experienced a newfound sense of inner peace and health. The Silva Method transformed our mindset. It's like a ripple effect. As our thoughts about money shifted, so did our overall well-being. Silva's teachings also highlight the development of intuition and creativity. As you align with the universal intelligence in the alpha state, you tap into a wellspring of inspiration and insight that can guide your decision-making and creative endeavors. Now that we've explored the principles and practices of the Silva Method, let's discuss how you can seamlessly integrate these teachings into your daily life for lasting transformation. Establish morning and evening rituals that incorporate Silva's techniques. Begin your day with a session of alpha state meditation, visualizing your day filled with abundance. End your day with gratitude, reflecting on the blessings that unfolded. Incorporate mini alpha state sessions throughout the day. These can be brief moments of relaxation and visualization during breaks or transitions. The cumulative effect of these mini sessions reinforces the magnetic power of your mind. Spread the abundance by sharing the Silva Method with friends and family. Teach them the techniques, guide them through meditations, and create a ripple effect of positive manifestation within your community. One of the secrets to Jose Silva's approach is the emphasis on infusing your manifestations with genuine emotions. It's not just about picturing wealth. It's about feeling the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that comes with it. When you visualize your life bathed in financial abundance, let those positive emotions flood your being. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and happiness as if your desires have already materialized. Emotions are like the fuel that propels your manifestations into reality. Emotion is the key to creating a magnetic field around your desires. Feel it as if it's happening now, and watch the magic unfold. According to Silva, when your emotions are in harmony with your desires, you create a magnetic resonance that draws those desires towards you. So, don't hold back. Let the joy of wealth fill your heart during your manifestation sessions. Silva's teachings align with the concept that emotional blocks can hinder the manifestation process. To address this, consider incorporating techniques like emotional EFT involves tapping on specific acupressure points while stating affirmations, helping to release emotional resistance and promote energetic flow. Tap on these points as you affirm your financial abundance, releasing any emotional blocks that may be hindering your manifestation. By combining Silva's alpha state with EFT, you create a powerful synergy that clears emotional obstacles, ensuring a smoother path for your manifestations to materialize. Silva often spoke about the importance of surrendering to the universal intelligence. This act of letting go is a fundamental aspect of manifestation, allowing the divine forces to orchestrate the delivery of your desires in the perfect way and perfect time. The act of surrender involves releasing attachment to the outcome. While it's essential to hold your desires with intention, clinging too tightly can create resistance. Surrendering is not giving up. It's about trusting that the universe has heard your request and is working behind the scenes to make it happen. Surrender is the key to allowing the universe to work on your behalf. Trust in the process and watch the magic unfold. Silva believed that by relinquishing the need to control every detail, you open yourself up to unexpected opportunities and solutions that may surpass your initial expectations. Gratitude, as mentioned earlier, plays a dual role in manifestation. It's not only the fuel for your desires, but also an expression of surrender. When you're truly grateful, you acknowledge the blessings in your life, surrendering any feelings of lack or neediness. Jose Silva's teachings extend beyond just financial wealth. It encompasses abundance in every aspect of life: health, relationships, opportunities, and spiritual growth. Let's explore how you can align with abundance in various dimensions. Manifesting abundance isn't solely about money. It's about cultivating a rich and fulfilling life. Silva's teachings encourage you to extend your manifestation practice to areas like health and wellness. Visualize yourself in perfect health, radiating vitality and well-being. Abundance is a holistic concept. Visualize a life rich in health, joy, and harmonious relationships. By aligning with the abundance of good health, you create a holistic environment for your manifestations to flourish. Relationships are an integral part of a fulfilling life. In your manifestation sessions, visualize harmonious and supportive connections with friends, family, and colleagues. Embrace the abundance of love, understanding, and positive interactions. Abundance extends to the richness of your relationships. Visualize and attract positive connections into your life. As you align with the abundance of positive relationships, you contribute to a nurturing environment that fosters personal growth and well-being. Silva's teachings acknowledge the spiritual dimension of abundance. Beyond material wealth, visualize your spiritual journey flourishing, a deeper connection with the divine, expanded consciousness, and a profound sense of purpose. Now that we've explored the depth of Jose Silva's teachings, let's wrap up with some practical tips to optimize your manifestation practice. Manifestation, like any skill, improves with consistent practice. Set aside dedicated time each day for your alpha state sessions, affirmations, and gratitude practice. The more consistent you are, the more you amplify the magnetic power of your mind. While you may have specific desires in mind, remain open to unexpected opportunities and manifestations. The universe may have grander plans for you that surpass your limited imagination. Generosity is a powerful aspect of the manifestation process. As you manifest wealth and abundance, consider sharing your blessings with others. Whether through acts of kindness, charitable contributions, or sharing your knowledge, the act of giving creates a flow of abundance in your life. You must watch our latest video on the topic, The Secret to Receiving $100,000 That No One Else Knows. In this video, we unravel the secret to manifesting $100,000 that few are aware of, drawing inspiration from the timeless wisdom of Jim Rohn and the powerful law of attraction. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. What an incredible journey we've had, exploring the profound teachings of Jose Silva on manifesting money like a magnetic waterfall. As you integrate these principles into your life, remember that you possess the innate power to shape your reality. As you continue your manifestation journey, may your minds be magnetic waterfalls of abundance, drawing prosperity into every facet of your existence. We are signing off. Until next time, manifest with joy and watch the magic unfold.